Good morning students. Today we are going to learn grammar topic pronouns.
A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun in a sentence. So, what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun in a sentence. Students, we have already discussed about nouns in our previous videos. Now we are going to discuss about pronouns. Words such as he, she, they, we, us, etc. are pronouns. Look at the sentences given on your screen. Priya is a doctor. Priya works in Apollo Hospital in Delhi. Priya is a dedicated person. So here, Priya is a noun that is being repeated again and again in the sentences. Now, we can write these sentences as Priya is a doctor. She works in Apollo Hospital in Delhi. She is a dedicated person. In these sentences, we have written she for Priya. By writing like this, we have made our sentences look better. So the word she is pronoun over here. Okay. So pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns so that nouns are not repeated in a sentence. Let us look at one more example here. It is a conversation between two people. Teacher, Anil, show me the notebook. Anil, I forgot to bring it, ma'am. Here, me stands for teacher, I stands for Anil, it stands for notebook. Teacher, Anil, and notebook are nouns because they are names of person or thing. And me, I, and it are words used in place of nouns. That means they are pronouns. So, the words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. I, me, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, you, us, we. These are some common pronouns used in English grammar. Students, we have already discussed about singular nouns and plural nouns. Now, for singular nouns, we use singular pronouns. These are I, me, you, she, her, he, him, it, his. These pronouns are used for singular nouns. And for plural nouns, we use plural pronouns such as we, us, you, they, them. One thing you must have noticed, that is the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. You is a only pronoun that we can use with both the singular and the plural nouns. Let us now look at the use of pronoun you for both the singular and plural nouns. Look at the first sentence. It is an important match. You must play as a team. Here, you refers to the word team, and team means a group of people. So here you stands for plural noun. Look at the second sentence. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? So here you is used for singular noun because only one child is there in the picture. So we can say you is a pronoun that is used for both singular and plural nouns. Pronouns such as I, you, he, she, it, we, they come in the naming part of a sentence. That means these pronouns are used to replace a name in a sentence. That's why they usually come at the beginning of a sentence. For example, it is a rainy day. I kicked the ball. We had coffee in the evening. He scored a goal for the team. She plays tennis every Sunday. You are a good boy. Pronouns such as me, him, her, us, you, them. They come in the telling part of a sentence. They usually come in the middle or at the end of a sentence. For example, Meenu and Sheena are hungry. I will give food to them. Sumit met me at the mall. I bought it from this shop. Ravi will meet you tomorrow. He will meet us in the garden. Parul gave him a pen yesterday. So, if we use the pronoun I in the naming part of the sentence, or at the beginning of a sentence, the middle part, or at the end of a sentence, we will use the pronoun me. Similarly, with you, we use pronoun you. With they, we use the pronoun them. We, us. With he, him. She, her. It. Now let us see the use of some common pronouns with the help of few sentences. For females, we use pronouns such as she or her. Examples: she is my sister. I like her a lot. Here, she and her. These pronouns are used for females. And for males, we use pronouns such as he or him. Like, he is a doctor. You can meet him tomorrow. When we are talking about our own self in a sentence, then we use pronouns such as I and me. Like, I'm hungry. Give me something to eat. Then next is for person or persons we are speaking to. In that case, we use the pronoun you. Like, you are late. The teacher is waiting for you. Students, when you are talking about a group of people, then we use the pronouns they and them. Like, Tina and Anu are singers. They sing well. People love to hear them. The next is when we are talking about a group of people, including us also, we use the pronouns we and us. Look at the example. Dia and I are friends. We are in the same school. My father drops us to school every day. Now have a look at the last one. For animal or a thing, we use pronouns it or they. Like, I saw a green frog. It jumped into the pond. Next, I saw green frogs. They jumped into the pond. So, for animal, thing, or even for place, we use the pronoun it or they. I hope this topic of pronoun is clear to you. Thank you.